Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Mopa all set for public hearing. BJP plans to bring 10,000 pro-Mopa supporters, 1,000 policemen for security. GFDO demands reliable EIA before hearing. Goa police so far fails to crack Vasco double murder case. Investigating team suspects role of an insider in crime. Locals blame police for late response. BJP candidate for Panaji bypoll says he is with cabinet decision on casino issue. Releases manifesto, promises smart city within 2.5 years. Vijay cries foul over conducting ZP election on party lines, says ZPs were never unstable. BJP tried to create instability in ZP. And 2015 National Games of India kicks off. 36 teams including Goa participate in event. Games to continue till 14th February. Now the news in detail. Mopa Airport has become a sensitive issue for North as well as South Goa. Mopa Sangharsh Morcha has appealed people to attend the public hearing at Pernem on proposed Mopa Airport. 5 magistrates and 1,000 police personnel will be deployed at Pernem to maintain law and order. BJP is planning to bring 10,000 pro-Mopa people for public hearing. However, GFDO has threatened to approach the court if a fresh EIA is not conducted. They held a public meeting at Lohya Maidan in Margao on Saturday.
A public hearing will be held at Pernem on Mopa Airport EIA report on 1st February. Leaders from South Goa and Daboli Airport supporters have started opposing this hearing. IAS Neela Mohanan will conduct the hearing on Mopa Airport. Government machinery is all set to host major public hearing. Signboards are displayed to guide the direction to the venue. Sitting arrangements are made for 5,000 people. Jain said drinking water, mobile toilets and other amenities are made available at the venue. More than 1,000 police personnel have been deployed at the venue to take care of law and order situation. Sources say, due opposed from South Goa to the airport project, BJP has decided to get almost 10,000 people from Mandre and Pernem, whereas other constituencies have been given a target of 1,000 each. Party workers have been assigned duties to make transport arrangements for the people. But GFDO's Saturday meeting at Margao demanded postponement of public hearing until an objective, realistic and comprehensive 4-season EIA report reflecting ground realities of Mopa is prepared by reliable consultant. GFDO will also approach the court.
Evaluated by the state environmental agencies like the Goa State Biodiversity Board and the Goa State Pollution Control Board before it is presented to the people of Goa for a public hearing. Say all of you, do you we are preparing ourselves to go to the court.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Goa police has so far failed to crack Vasco's double murder case. But according to sources, investigating team is suspecting role of an insider in the crime. The fact that police team took about 1 hour to reach at the crime spot also raises serious questions regarding action-taking ability of Goa police.
Goa police till late Saturday evening could not get any breakthrough in the Vasco's double murder case. But investigating team is not ruling out involvement of an insider in the crime. Police is investigating to find out the answers of the following questions. How the murderers entered in the house. Why there is no sign of forced opening of the door? Was the robbery real motive behind the double murder? Why and in which circumstances survivor daughter-in-law had minor injuries? One of the neighbors, Abhay Patil, says that there were very cordial relationship between both the daughter-in-laws.
Both the daughter-in-laws of Usha Naik, they used to come, they used to wash their own vehicles simultaneously. That way, by looking at that aspect, it should be very nice.
Neighbor Abhay Patil also suspects about the so-called LPG connection checking guys who had visited the family that evening. Abhay also says that survivor could not see those guys because she was in the bathroom.
29 Jan 2015, around 4:35 o'clock approx, किती दोन मनशां आयले from and they were saying that they are coming from gas agency to check their cylinders. ते आयले ते भितर आयले चेक केले तांच्यांनी तांची बुकां दाखयली तांच्याकडे कितें कनेक्शन आशिल्लें ते पण दाखयले and they had given whatever the clarification justification was required by the it was being provided by them. त्याच्यातली जी प्रतिमा तिने म्हणाले तिने त्यांचे चेहरा पाहू ना की because she was on top in the bathroom.
Another neighbor, Baburao Naik, raises serious questions over sensibility and promptness of Goa police. He claims police took about an hour to reach at the spot after he and other neighbors informed police.
10 to 4, she came to my house. One lady, injured lady. And at 4:11, I telephoned to 100. So they told me they are coming. Since half an hour we waited, there is no chance. So we went to the police station. And we complained, they say we have issued the complaint. They said we are sending it. And then after that they came. So at around I think 4:45 they came this side.
Mukesh Kumar and Dishant Parab for Prudent.
BJP candidate for Panaji, Siddharth Kugolekar, has made his stand clear on casino issue. While releasing election manifesto on Saturday, he said, Cabinet has taken decision on casino and party will abide by the Cabinet decision. BJP's manifesto promises to make Panaji a smart city and a market complex at Mala.
BJP Panaji bypoll candidate Siddharth Kunkalkar has released its party manifesto on Friday. The manifesto promises to make Panaji a smart city. He also promises to complete pending work within 2.5 years.
प्रयत्न तो आसतलो डेफिनेटली. पयर म्हाका दिसता कोणे तरी विचारलें की पीडीए मार्केट म्हाका तांकां प्रश्न विचारपाचो आसा की तेन्ना जेन्ना चेअरमॅन आशिल्ले तो पीपीपीचो जो स्कॅन्डल केलो ताका लागून हो डिले जाला. आमी करूं ना. आमचो सदांच लोकां खातीर हो प्रोजेक्ट आशिल्लो.
However, BJP has remained silent over casino issues. Party claims that proposed bridge from Beti to Panaji has been dropped.
See, that is not an assurance. See, ताजेर एक cabinet decision जाल्लें आसा. And we are abiding that cabinet decision. ना. म्हणजे ताजेर खुबशे आश्वासन आशिल्लीं पूण कितें आसा सदांच ते फिजिबिलिटी बी पळोवचें पडटा. ती फिजिबिलिटी म्हाका दिसता चालू आसा जाल्यार हांव नकळो.
Reporter Mahesh Khadi with Omkar Falari for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.